Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your REALME 16 Pro Plus. First, check the volume during a call by using the volume up button. You can also change it without calling anyone by double tapping, and as you can see, it can be boosted up to 200%. In the sound and vibration settings, you won't have an option to change it. Next, disable Bluetooth to rule out any connected devices. Make sure Bluetooth is turned off and no devices are paired. Clean the earpiece with a soft brush, not a metallic one, to avoid damage. After cleaning, test another call, using the phone app or any app like WhatsApp or Instagram that supports calls. Next, restart the phone in case it's a system glitch. Press the power button and volume up at the same time, then swipe up to restart. Once the screen goes black, let go and the phone will restart. As a last resort, reset the network settings. In Settings, scroll down to System and Update, then back up and reset. Click Reset Phone, then reset Network and Bluetooth settings. Touch the fingerprint sensor and press Reset. The settings will reset and you'll need to set up Wi-Fi and Bluetooth again, but it should fix the issue. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscription, and any comment, and I'll see you in the next one.